welcome to another tutorial from Digidesignresort. My name is Monia, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to create a wallpaper from this cute pumpkin bear. If you are looking for the pumpkin bear, you can get it on Patreon. The link for that is under this video. And now let's go to my iPad where I'm drawing this cute pumpkin bear, and once I have done that, I need to get it into the computer and create my wallpaper from that. And I show you now step by step how to do that. Once I'm done with the drawing, I send it to my Mac and open the file in Photoshop. Now we want to create a wallpaper from this cute pumpkin bear. So how do we do that? It's not that hard. The only thing you need to really do is go to Google and ask for the screen resolution for your specific device. So mine is an iPad Pro from 2018, and this is what I entered to Google: iPad 2018 screen resolution, and then I just had the numbers. And once you have that, just go to your Photoshop and create File, New, and say specifically the numbers here. Just write down the numbers. Make sure it's pixel. And now the width is 2048 by 1536. And I usually choose a screen resolution of 300 just because I'm used to it. I guess I could choose 72 now because it's just a screen resolution, but really I want it to be high quality. So now I create a black background and then say just create, and basically that's it. Now you grab your pumpkin bear and drag and drop it from one file to the other, and here you go. Here is my pumpkin bear. And now what I did is I duplicated these little leaves and put them everywhere here. So you can also put it vertically. That's totally up to you. For me that's fine because that's how I usually use my iPad. So let's now select one of the leaves. For that, you go here and grab your lasso tool and make sure you're on the correct layer here, layer 1 with the pumpkin bear, and then just draw around it. And you know what doesn't happen now is it doesn't copy the background because the background is on its own layer. So we just copy the leaf from the bear background actually. So and now I just press Command C for copy, or you can do it also here on edit and then copy. That's totally up to you. You see the shortcut is Command C, and then I press Command V, or here once again you can choose paste, Command V. And once you have done that, you can go ahead and grab your new leaf and paste it wherever you want into your document. And from there it gets easy. Just right click, then again duplicate layer, and then I put it here, then press Command T and turn it around a little, and I go on with that. Just right click, once again duplicate layer, and I can also just choose edit and transform and then flip horizontal, and then I have another leaf. Actually it looks pretty different, doesn't it? I can also grab this leaf and make it even nicer. Again, that's up to you, right? We can do it right now. Go back to layer 1, grab the lasso tool once again and drag around, press Command C, press Command V, and then I grab my selection, my move tool, and then I have another leaf. And this is what I'm going to do here everywhere if I want to. For me that's enough now, but you can go ahead of course and do add many more of these leaves. And when you are done, you just do a right click on background, create merge visible, and then you export your file and then save as, and then you put it wherever you want. I put mine now on the desktop and choose a JPEG format, and then I can just send it to my iPad, and that's all. Yeah, so I name it Pumpkin Bear. If you want to change your file later, you may want to save it as Pumpkin Bear JPG for your iPad, but then you go ahead and save it once again in Photoshop format, so you have all the layers. Then make sure you go back here with a merge visible. We do that now, so it makes sense to you. So okay, click save, best quality, okay. I go back here because I want to save the layers, so that's what I have now. And then I go here, file, save as, and then I name it in the same way, Pumpkin Bear. Yeah, so here. And now I don't have a JPG but a PSD, so I delete the JPG and then click save, and I have the PSD file as well. Yeah, basically that's it. You see, it's not that hard to create your own wallpaper, and with all the specifications for your device, so you can do it as well. You can create this wallpaper with any graphic you want, but if you want this one, come over to my Patreon. I would love to have you on board. And please, if you like the tutorial, don't forget to give us a thumb up and maybe subscribe to our channel, and I get back to you with more tutorials like this. And I see you in the future. So until then, bye.